How to deactivate Messenger account. Open the Messenger app on your device. Tap on the hamburger icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now go to the settings. Scroll down to find the Account Center section. Press See More in Account Center at the bottom. In the Account Settings section, hit Personal Details. Then tap on Account Ownership and Control. Click on Deactivation or Deletion option. Select your account. Next, tap on Deactivate Account and continue. After that, enter your password and continue. Now choose the reason why you want to deactivate the account. Press continue again. If you are deactivating your account temporarily, select when you want to reactivate it automatically. Finally, tap on Deactivate My Account. This is how you can deactivate your Messenger account.